Hello and welcome to Military Mayday. We're pointing out a few pieces on the chessboard, and it is toy time, boys and girls. Apparently, there's some military show. Good God, what you're looking at is probably something that you want to have, or at least drive and play with, and that's because you're a sick warmongering freak. There is no way I would ever want something like this, or drive something like this. Let's get to it. This one we're going to get to here in a little bit, but we're going to get to some of the other ones here. Before we get started, though, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you like toy time. I think I'm going to be able to start doing a lot of toy time with this little company here. This is ArmyRecognition.com. They're no sponsor or nothing. I just like their articles and a lot of stuff they got. I would suggest checking them out if I were you. Kodiak Robotics delivers autonomous Ford F-150 prototype to U.S. Army, and this is the future. Everything's going robotic and autonomous and drive it on your laptop kind of thing. We're going into that world. Kodiak Robotics has successfully adapted its autonomous driving technology for use in both heavy-duty trucks and light-duty vehicles, specifically a prototype F-150. As detailed, this prototype delivered the U.S. military demonstrates Kodiak's ability to integrate its autonomous systems, including both hardware and software, into a range of vehicles. The Ford F-150, equipped with the Kodiak Driver, is designed to navigate challenging military environments, operate under varied operational conditions, and function in areas with unreliable GPS. The vehicle's design optimizes handling of off-road challenges, rocks, mud, water. It also includes capabilities for specific situations, coding Kodiak's founder and CEO. The development exemplifies the adaptability and maturity of their autonomous systems, which can be integrated into various vehicle types, from trucks to pickups and future defense vehicles. Yeah, like automobiles. This is where all this is coming from. RRAI, a leading company in vehicle autonomy, has developed much of an autonomous driving technology utilized by the military. These developments are part of the Army's Defense Innovation Unit's innovative to create prototype autonomous ground vehicles. Let's see here. Kodak's technology's dual-use capability, secure contract. Yeah. Kodiak delivered 2 off-road capable F-150 prototypes to the U.S. Army. Testing started at a military base on November 23rd, 23. Post-testing, the plan is to implement this autonomous system in a specifically designed military reconnaissance vehicle. Before the F-150's testing, Kodiak semi-trucks were used to refine the autonomous system in off-road settings, enhancing the technology for long-haul trucking by addressing challenges like dust and small obstacles. The significance of dual-use technology in both military and civilian commercial applications appears as a key to the future efficiencies and innovations. Kodiak is also gearing up to launch driverless semi-trucks in Texas by late 2024, currently covering over 70,000 miles monthly with drivers-monitored trucks. So that's that article there. You can tell this is all moving down to the private sector. Notice, this company is not anything tied in with Tesla, which means that this one will probably work the way it's supposed to. It's military, so they don't really fuck around in those situations. Here, buddy boy, this is what you're going to want to have during doomsday when the shit hits the fan. Check this out. China Polytech presents a 1.2 kilometer QN202 micro missile, sometimes abbreviated as Polytech. A subsidiary of China's showcases the QN202 miniature guided missile weapon system, weighing at 1.2 kilograms. The one-man portable system has a performance range of 2 kilometers, incorporating self-guidance technology with a lock-on before launch capability, rendering it to fire and forget weapon. Yeah, don't even have to point, just lock on and shoot. I mean, that's exactly what you need in a bad situation right there. Poly Technology is headquartered in Beijing, specializes in military, blah, blah, blah. The QN was previously presented at the China Air Show 2018 by Yuan Guide Infrared, a Chinese company specialized in infrared technology. It can be carried on a backpack designed to accommodate 6 QN-202 missiles, showcasing its potential for widespread deployment in the Chinese People's Liberation Army. Yeah, that would be a devastating weapon, a war winner right there, in my opinion. The handheld missile launcher introduced during the air show has its versatile mobility. With its collapsible stock, pistol grip, vertical front grip, and scope, the launcher provides a comprehensive solution to individual soldiers. The proprietary sight mount on the QN launcher deviates from the standard top Picatinny rail offered on a unique design perspective. The QN-22 is showcased along another launcher resembling a miniaturized version of a launch unit used in the H-12 or the anti-tank guided missiles. Let's see here. It is suggested that China's 202 micromissile could not only enhance individuals' combat capabilities but also facilitate collaboration with drones. The semi-laser guidance method deployed in this version designed for a UAV's insurance accuracy while keeping costs low in far infrared guided systems. So they can send up a drone, it can spot the target, and all you do is press the little button and it is goodbye target. I mean, easy button, buddy. That is the easy button. Wow. And then they'll probably have it all on video. Anyway, check this out. Ukraine to order 750 locally made armored vehicles. Yeah, that is an armored vehicle, all right. The Ukrainian Ministry of Defense is preparing to place an order for production of 750 locally manufactured armored combat vehicles. We plan to order more than 750 armored vehicles, different types of domestic. Now, that's using our money. We're setting up these factories over there. Ukraine is gearing up to bolster its armed forces. Meet the Army's needs. Ukraine still relies heavily on international assistance to equip its military. There was an article that came out where they had to bring back the 1950s models trucks, get them up and running, which is, in my opinion, that's just a bullshit article, but it was kind of something I was almost going to do a little report on, but I never did. There's been a prolonged lack of funds for state orders in Ukraine, which has hindered some companies quickly setting up mass production. However, the president has tasked 3 companies with maximizing their capacity and expanding production. Before the large-scale invasion, the states, the BRT-4 is an armored personnel designed in Ukraine that use several countries, including Ukraine, Nigeria. It weighs 2,400 kilograms and can reach a maximum speed of 110 kilometers an hour, providing remarkable mobility in the field with a range of 700 kilometers. It is suitable for long-distance missions. In terms of armament, the BTR-4E is equipped with a 30mm automatic cannon, a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun, and a 30mm automatic grenade launcher, and 2 launchers from a guided anti-tank missile, giving it considerable firepower for a variety of combat scenarios. Yeah, you don't say, huh? The BRT can carry a crew of 3 plus 7 passengers. Dimensions 7 by 7 meters in length and 2.9 meters in width, 3 up in height, allowing the transport troops and equipment. It also equips with various accessories to enhance its performance and crew safety, such as heating, night vision systems, an automatic fire suppression system, a central tire inflation system, a winch with a maximum capacity of 9 tons. That's a lot of weight. Nuclear, biological, and chemical protection system, ensuring its functionality in various challenging environments. That's wild. It's worth noting that many companies in Ukraine are currently involved in the design and production of various armored vehicles. In September, it was reported that Ukrainian armored vehicles company Autocross would jointly implement armored vehicles production projects. Additionally, the Scientific and Production Association, Praktika, is developing a medical evacuation vehicle for the Ukrainian military. Look at her. that cannon. You and your buddies could have a pretty cool little run and gun camping trip there, couldn't you? What we got here? Oh ho ho ho! Is this some kind of a weapon system? The MROWS remotely operated weapon system displayed at the Exo Defense 2023. Rippel Effect presents MROWS remotely operated weapon system. The South African defense company Rippel Effect presented its MROWS system at the defense exhibition. The air mount system optimized for 7.62 millimeter light machine gun and 12.7 millimeter heavy machine guns. The MROWS allows for ammunition feeding from either the left or right side, offering optional flexibility in various combat scenarios. Yeah, that's a badass. All controlled with your laptop. A notable feature from the MROWS is the ability to aim, cock, and fire from a protected under armor position, providing increased safety for operators. Weighing less than 150 kilograms, its maximum power consumption is less than 50 amperes. The system effectively combines lightness with low energy consumption. It provides stabilization, allowing for high precision in shooting. The system can hold up to 236 ready rounds and offers both burst and single shot firing modes. Its rotational capabilities allow for complete 360 degrees in less than 24 seconds, and its evaluation range from plus 45 to negative 20. You're probably going to see this in some movies, to be honest with you. These two things, just, some kind of a sci-fi movie or something, just because they look so cool. The control panel is sophisticated, incorporated functions such as power on, power off, safety lock, loading, and selection of burst or single shot fire. The sighting system includes a day camera with a 5 degrees horizontal field of view and a 3 times digital zoom, as well as a thermal imager and a resolution of 384 by 288 pixels and a 2 times digital zoom. The laser rangefinder is eye safe and capable of measuring distances up to 2,000 meters. That's the girl right there. Imagine that sitting on your property just waiting for the wrong person to come by. One of them package thieves. Just turn them into fucking mush. Alright, let's see what we got here. This is just a thing. We ain't got no more. My time's kind of getting running low, so I got to get off here. But like and subscribe. I'm going to try to do some more of these. Appreciate it.